to another section of Uncle Sam's math tutorial. Okay, today we'll be continuing with area of shapes. In the last class, we solved some problem. Here we'll be talking about some other shapes that we failed to mention in our last class. And they are as follows. Triangle, a triangle. What is the formula for finding the area of a triangle? It is half base times height. The B here represents the base of the triangle multiplied by the height of the triangle, then multiply it to half. So 1/2 times base times height. This is the formula for finding the area of a triangle, any triangle that you are given. Moving on, we have what we call a trapezium. Some like to call this a trapezoid, yeah, but whichever name you would like to call it, that it's okay. So it's a trapezium, and as you can see here, it is a quadrilateral, meaning that it is a four-sided shape. It has 4 edges or 4 corners. So from here you can see something. I said that the formula of a trapezium is what? 1/2 times a plus b close bracket times h. Now what does this a plus b represent? It represents the opposite side. The top is called the A and the down is called the B. It's just the sides used to represent the side because there is no name that is attached to them. It is used to represent just the side of this, the top side and the down side. So you can choose to call it any name that you want. You can call it P or Q. There is no issue in that. So the area is 1/2 times open bracket A, which is the side for the top, and B plus B, which is side for the down, times what? The height. This is the height. It can be here, it can be here, because this and this are still equal. So this is it for the area of a trapezium. Moving on, we have what we call a parallelogram. A parallelogram, this is the formula for finding the area. Here is the height, or you can call either this or this. So the area of a parallelogram is the base times what? The height. The base of the parallelogram times the height of the parallelogram. These are just things you need to know as we move on this series. Then the last, we have what we call a rhombus. A rhombus, remember we said earlier that a rhombus is a square that is vertical. It is vertical. It is standing vertical. So because all the attributes of a square, a rhombus also has those attributes. All the sides are equally equal. Yeah, equal. So the area of a rhombus is denoted as 1/2 times d1 times d2. d1 represents the diagonals, first diagonal and the second diagonals. Then you multiply it to half. So these are the areas of these 4 shapes that are listed here. In the next video, we'll be solving some mini problems with these formulas. Thank you and see you in the next video.